This video is going to be replacing the seal on the Mansfield plastic flapper. It just uses the 630-0030 flush valve seal. It also shows here a small list of instructions on how to change the seal. And all you do is take the flapper, this little ring here, you just twist it, it should pop off. Take the seal off, grab the new seal, just sit this one on here. It's got a little groove right there that it sits around. Get it in place. Set that down and then twist it back into place. And this flapper is used on a bunch of different flush valve models. The 2036-1212, 2037-1212, 2916-1112, 2987-1112, and 3987-1112. And once again, this is how you replace the seal on the Mansfield plastic flappers.